Most of us already know our blood type, whether it's A, B, AB, or O, and whether it's positive or negative. But did you know that there is a blood type so rare that only 43 people on Earth have ever been reported to have it? This blood group is known as Rhnull, and scientists are calling it the golden blood type. Things would be straightforward if we all had the same blood type, but we don't. On the surface of every one of our blood cells, we have hundreds of antigens, which are the molecules that are capable of triggering the production of specialized proteins called antibodies. It is the presence or absence of particular antigens that determines someone's blood type. For example, you may have AB blood in the ABO blood group system, be Rh positive in the Rh system, as well as being K positive in the Kel system, and so on. Of the 32 blood group systems, the Rh system is the largest, containing 61 antigens. Interestingly, 99.999994% of people in the world have blood with Rh antigens on their red blood cells. But, as the name implies, the Rhnull blood type is completely missing these Rh blood group antigens, which makes it the rarest blood type in the world. Rhnull blood was first found in 1961 in an Australian woman. Until then, doctors had assumed that an embryo missing all Rh blood cell antigens would not survive, let alone grow into a normal, thriving adult. But by 2010, nearly 5 decades later, some 43 people with Rhnull blood had been reported worldwide. You might think these 43 people are very lucky, but that couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, because Rhnull blood is so rare, it is also extremely dangerous to live with. Blood groups are inherited, and Rhnull is known to run in families. But when researchers tried to find the genetic basis of this golden blood type in one of the subjects, they found that Rhnull blood was due to 2 completely different random mutations on pure chance, which is one reason why this blood type is so rare. Your immune system naturally contains antibodies, which help to fight off any foreign material that your immune system doesn't recognize, such as viruses and bacteria. These antibodies can also attack antigens that aren't present in your natural blood type. For example, if you have type B blood and you receive a blood transfusion of type A blood, your antibodies will work to destroy the A antigens. This can have life-threatening results. This means if you have the Rhnull blood type, receiving a transfusion of a blood type with any Rh antigens will cause your body to reject the blood. Because fewer than 50 individuals in the entire world have the Rhnull blood type, finding a blood donor for Rhnull individuals can be nearly impossible. This is why people who have the golden blood type are encouraged to donate blood in case they ever need blood. As Rhnull blood contains no Rh antigens to be rejected, it can be a universal donor for those with generally rare blood types. Golden blood, therefore, can be both life-threatening and life-saving. And while your chances of having the rarest blood type are incredibly low, it's important that you know what your blood type is. You never know when your life will need to be saved, or when you could save someone else's.